NEOM is happening. Construction Update 2023. NEOM, the ambitious, futuristic city project in Saudi Arabia, is progressing rapidly with its construction. As of 2023, significant developments have taken place in NEOM. The city's infrastructure, including roads, utilities, and transportation systems, is being established. The construction of residential and commercial buildings is also underway, with innovative designs and sustainable features being incorporated. NEOM aims to become a leading hub for technology, innovation, and tourism, attracting global investments and talent. We just launched our newsletter. First 80 people to subscribe get a free surprise. Check the pinned comment.